Happy World Environmental Health Day. We have been going through difficult times. This COVID-19 pandemic has brought great challenge for humanity, but also a window of opportunity for the world to understand the importance of the prevention and the role of the environmental health workforce. Prioritizing environmental health for healthier communities in global recovery is the motto of the day we are celebrating today. Now that the pandemic is getting more under control, the motto will continue to make perfect sense because, in fact, we have an even bigger problem to face: climate change. According to WHO, climate change is the biggest global health threat of the 21st century. It threatens the essential ingredients of good health, such as clean air, safe drinking water, nutritious food supply, and safe shelter. Can cause between 2030 and 2050 approximately 250,000 additional deaths per year and has the potential to undermine decades of progress in global health. The environmental health workforce has to continue its work together and with communities to face the challenge of climate change, to create climate-resilient health systems that can anticipate, prepare, prevent, respond, and quickly recover from climate risk. Let's stay united, working and helping to fight this huge challenge. The International Federation of Environmental Health is here, present, and always available to work with everyone towards a stronger and more recognized environmental health. So once again, I wish you all of you an amazing World Environmental Health Day. Thank you.